sun-kissed skin, sipping cocktails on the beach, snorkeling with vibrant fish. The Caribbean, a paradise for the rich and famous. Or is it? Buckle up, travel dreamers. Today we're shattering the myth that the Caribbean is just for jet-setters. We'll crack the code on budget travel hacks to make your tropical escape a reality in 2024. Get ready for crystal-clear waters, unforgettable adventures, and all without breaking the bank. Right, dreamers, let's talk about the first hurdle. Getting there. Flights to the Caribbean can put a dent in your wallet, but fear not. We've got some secret weapons to snag those budget-friendly plane tickets. First things first, ditch the stuck-on-a-specific-date mentality. The Caribbean has amazing weather year-round, but peak winter season, think December to February, comes with sky-high flight prices. Consider the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, when the weather is still fantastic, but the crowds and prices are thinner. Look beyond the major airlines. Budget carriers like Spirit, Frontier, or JetBlue often have fantastic deals on Caribbean routes. Sign up for their email alerts for flash sales and last-minute steals. These airlines might have a few more fees attached, like baggage check, so factor those in when comparing prices. Don't limit yourself to just one island. Explore the magic of island hopping with smaller airlines like Inter-Caribbean Airways or Cape Air. You might be surprised at how affordable it can be to experience the diverse beauty of the Caribbean. Plus, island hopping lets you get a taste of different cultures and landscapes in one trip. Package deals that bundle flights and basic accommodation can sometimes be a budget win. It's worth comparing prices to see if you can save compared to booking everything separately. Just be sure to factor in any hidden fees or limitations within the package before you commit. Remember, a little research and flexibility go a long way when it comes to scoring affordable flights to the Caribbean. The key is to be open to different options and book in advance whenever possible. All right, Globetrotters, we've landed. Virtually, of course. Now let's find a place to rest your beach-weary head without emptying your bank account. Forget those fancy resorts for a minute. We're diving into the world of budget-friendly stays. Hostels aren't just for backpacking youngsters anymore. Many offer private rooms at a fraction of the hotel price, perfect for solo travelers or those comfortable with dorm-style living. Plus, hostels are a fantastic way to meet fellow adventurers and share travel stories. Guest houses are another hidden gem. These family-run havens offer a local touch and a friendly atmosphere, often with breakfast included. They can be a great alternative to impersonal hotels and provide a more immersive experience, craving a bit more space and privacy. Vacation rentals like Airbnb or Vrbo can be your budget hero. Imagine a charming apartment with a balcony overlooking the ocean, or a cozy room in a local home, all for a fraction of the cost of a hotel. Many vacation rentals also have kitchens, allowing you to whip up some meals and save on dining expenses. Just be sure to factor in any cleaning fees when comparing prices. Let's face it, tourist hotspots come with a hefty price tag on accommodation. But venture a little further out to charming towns or villages, away from the main drag, and you'll be surprised at the deals you can find. Not only will your wallet thank you, but you'll also experience the authentic Caribbean charm and avoid the crowds. Think local markets instead of fancy boutiques, and hidden beaches instead of jam-packed resorts. It's all about embracing the off-the-beaten-path adventure. All right, foodies and adventure seekers, listen up. We all know Caribbean vacations can be synonymous with delicious food and exciting activities, but they don't have to break the bank. Let's explore some ways to keep your taste buds happy and your itinerary jam-packed without blowing your budget. Forget fancy restaurants for a minute. The Caribbean boasts a vibrant street food scene that's both delicious and wallet-friendly. From jerk chicken sizzling on grills in Jamaica to pastelitos filled with savory goodness in the Dominican Republic, these local gems offer an explosion of flavors and a true taste of Caribbean culture. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Channel your inner chef. Many vacation rentals come equipped with kitchens, so stock up on fresh produce and local staples at grocery stores. Not only will you save money compared to eating out at every meal, but you'll also get to experience the joy of creating your own Caribbean culinary masterpieces. Imagine whipping up a fresh mango salsa or grilling some local fish for a fraction of the cost of a restaurant meal. Plus, it's a fun way to explore the local flavors and ingredients. The Caribbean's beauty doesn't come with a price tag. Lace up your hiking boots and explore lush rainforests teeming with exotic wildlife. Pack your snorkel gear and discover vibrant coral reefs teeming with colorful fish. Many islands boast historic forts with stunning views or charming towns waiting to be wandered. The Caribbean offers a treasure trove of free activities that will leave you breathless without leaving your wallet empty. Looking for a bit more action? Don't worry, adventure doesn't have to be expensive. Many tour operators and activity providers offer discounts for booking online in advance. Research different options and compare prices to find the best deals. Consider joining group tours for activities like kayaking or catamaran cruises. Splitting the costs with fellow travellers can make these experiences surprisingly affordable. All right, Globetrotters, we're nearing paradise, but before we touch down, let's arm ourselves with some extra travel hacks to maximise your budget and make your Caribbean escape truly unforgettable. Avoid those pesky baggage fees by packing light and living out of a carry-on bag. Think versatile clothing that can be easily mixed and matched for different activities. Pack quick-drying fabrics that will allow you to wash and reuse clothes throughout your trip. Remember, the Caribbean is all about sunshine and light breezes, so heavy clothes aren't necessary. Embrace the minimalist approach and travel lighter, both literally and figuratively. Travel insurance can be a lifesaver, especially if traveling during hurricane season, June-November. It can provide peace of mind in case of unexpected trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. However, weigh the cost of the insurance against the potential benefits. If you're on a very tight budget, you might decide to skip it, but be aware of the risks involved. Taxis can add up quickly. Explore the local transportation scene. Hop on colourful buses, catch a shared taxi with fellow travellers, or rent a bicycle for a more scenic and eco-friendly way to get around. Not only will you save money, but you'll also experience the island from a local perspective and interact with friendly residents. Many Caribbean cities offer free walking tours led by passionate locals. It's a fantastic way to learn about the island's history and culture, get your bearings, and discover hidden gems you might miss on your own. These tours typically operate on a tip basis, so feel free to show your appreciation if you enjoyed the experience. Stay hydrated and save money by bringing a reusable water bottle. The Caribbean might have beautiful beaches, but bottled water can be expensive and adds to plastic waste. Pack a reusable water bottle and fill it up at your accommodation or local restaurants. It's a small change that can make a big difference for your wallet and the environment. All right, budget travel warriors, it's time to pick your paradise. The Caribbean is a treasure trove of islands, each with its unique charm and hidden gems. Here are a few fantastic destinations that won't break the bank. The Dominican Republic is a haven for budget travelers. With beautiful beaches, lush rainforests, and a vibrant culture, it offers something for everyone. You'll find a variety of affordable resorts, charming guest houses, and delicious street food to tantalize your taste buds. Explore the historical city of Santo Domingo, hike through verdant national parks, or simply relax on pristine white sand beaches. The Dominican Republic proves that a Caribbean escape doesn't have to cost a fortune. Immerse yourself in the rich culture and vibrant energy of Puerto Rico without burning a hole in your wallet. Explore the colorful capital city of San Juan, wander through charming colonial towns, or discover hidden waterfalls nestled in the lush rainforest. Foodies will rejoice in the island's delectable cuisine, from fresh seafood to mouth-watering mofongo. Adventure seekers can go kayaking in bioluminescent bays, a truly unforgettable experience. With a mix of budget-friendly accommodation options and free activities, Puerto Rico offers the perfect blend of culture, adventure, and affordability. Travel back in time to the captivating island of Cuba. Explore the pastel-coloured buildings of Havana, soak up the vintage car culture, and learn about the island's unique history. For budget travellers, Cuba is a dream come true. Casa Particulares, homestays, offer a glimpse into local life and affordable accommodations. Indulge in delicious and inexpensive local cuisine, and enjoy the warm hospitality of the Cuban people. Remember, Cuba is undergoing changes, so research current travel regulations before you book your trip. While St. Lucia is known for its luxurious resorts, budget travellers can also experience its magic. Explore charming towns like Soufriere, hike the majestic Piton Mountains, or relax on volcanic black sand beaches. Look for guest houses or vacation rentals for affordable accommodation options. The island boasts stunning natural beauty waiting to be explored, and with some research you can find deals and discounts on activities like snorkeling or boat tours. Grenada is a hidden gem in the Caribbean, offering stunning natural beauty and a relaxed atmosphere. Explore lush rainforests teeming with wildlife, discover cascading waterfalls, or wander through charming towns bursting with colourful houses. Accommodation options range from budget-friendly guest houses to vacation rentals, making it easy to find a place that fits your needs. With its friendly locals and focus on eco-tourism, Grenada offers a unique and affordable Caribbean escape. So there you have it, travel dreamers. The Caribbean is calling, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. With a little planning, flexibility, and these budget-friendly hacks, you can turn your tropical island getaway into reality. Remember, the most luxurious experiences in the Caribbean aren't always found at five-star resorts. It's about soaking up the sunshine, exploring hidden gems, and connecting with the local culture. The Caribbean awaits with its turquoise waters, swaying palm trees, and endless adventures. Start planning your budget-friendly escape today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks and budget adventure inspiration. Let me know in the comments below which Caribbean island has captured your heart. And don't forget to share your own budget travel tips.